Each lecture is accompanied with their corresponding exercise files. If you download the folder associated with each lecture, then you will find that that particular folder for the lecture consists of two separate folders, a start folder and an end folder. The start folder is the folder which contains the application at the initial state, meaning that this is a good for you if you want to follow along. If you don't really want to follow along and see the final product and the final code, then the end folder is for you. The end folder is the final state of that particular lecture. So I highly recommend that you download the lectures, and depending on if you want to follow along or not, if you want to see the final product, then you can go and see the end lecture, which will reflect the final state of the code for that particular lecture. And lectures and exercise files are always attached for all of the lectures associated with the course. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.